whom should I request now?
Governor-elect Rajendra.
Okay. Before moving on to our next set of awardees, I would like to request Governor-elect Rajendra to bestow the awards. First in the set is Miss Mumtaz Wahid Sheikh. She is the headmistress of Govind Nagar Urdu School from Malad. She has been teaching since 1984. She truly believes that teaching is the most rewarding, challenging and fulfilling job. It's a passion for her rather than a profession. Heartiest congratulations, ma'am. You being a nation builder.
Adab. I, Mumtaz Wahid Sheikh, headmistress of Govind Nagar Municipal Urdu Semi-English School, Malad. I have been in this profession since 1984. I think teaching is the most rewarding and challenging and fulfilling job. It is not profession for me, it's my passion. Teacher is an architect of students' future. And to know that you are that one strong figure for a lot of students in their life is pretty amazing. In entire service, I tried my level best to follow these lines. अच्छे बुरे की तुमको खबर दे के जाऊंगा, चेहरों को पढ़ने वाली नज़र दे के जाऊंगा, यारों मैं इस ज़माने का हूँ वो संग तराश, यारों मैं इस ज़माने का हूँ वो संग तराश, पत्थरों को भी बोलने का हुनर दे के जाऊंगा. Thanks to Rotary Club for rewarding me with this honor. Thank you very much.
Next in the list is Miss Fahmida Al-Aslam Sheikh from Dindoshi Wasahat Urdu School, Goregaon East. She is in this teaching field for the last 29 years and has started working as in-charge teacher from past 2 years. She is very passionate about her teaching profession. Ma'am, I truly congratulate you for this achievement.
सबसे पहले मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी अल्लाह सुब्हान ताला का, मेरे वालिदैन, हमारे बीट ऑफिसर मोहतरम शाह अशफाक साहब और तमाम साथियों का, और ख़ास कर रोटरी क्लब ऑफ मुंबई वेस्ट कोस्ट. इन्होंने मुझे सिलेक्ट किया, मुझे फ़ख्र महसूस करवाया. बस मैं इतना ही कहूँगी, उठे हैं तो फिर वक्त की रफ्तार हुए है, उठे हैं तो फिर वक्त की रफ्तार हुए है, दुनिया को बदल देने पे तैयार हुए हैं. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Next in the list is Miss Shaheen Ibrahim Khan from MHB Urdu School 2 from Malad West. She is working as a trained teacher and she truly believes that the youth of the nation depends upon the teacher. Thank you, Ma'am Shaheen, for bestowing great values into your learners.
I would like to thank the MCGM PO Ashfaq Sir, Rotary Club, Mumbai West Zone. It's a great honor for me to receive this award. I'm very much thankful to all of you. मैं मौलिमा हूँ, खुदा ने मुझे वो अदा बख्शी है. मैं मौलिमा हूँ, खुदा ने मुझे वो अदा बख्शी है. मैं कागज की लकीरों में समंदर कैद करती हूँ. मैं कागज की लकीरों में समंदर कैद करती हूँ.
Next in the list is Mr. Abdul Lukde from Kurar Village Urdu School. He is working as a trained teacher and has an experience of 33 years in the field of education. He feels proud of his contribution in shaping the future generation of this country. Let's all congratulate Mr. Abdul Lukde for his big achievement.
नमस्कार, मी अब्दुल्ला लुकडे, प्रशिक्षक कुडार गाव मनपा उर्दू शाळा. मला रोटरी क्लब तर्फे मिळालेला अवॉर्ड बद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद.